Hi everybody, good morning. Today a daily challenge from Bugforge. It's an IDOR. It is copy-paste. I saw it before. I think they use in rooms with different bags on them. They activate them when they need. Of course, you get all of that. You create an account. You sign up because it's an IDOR. So you can guess IDOR. Where is it? So I saw this room. I think last time it was. So you can see IDOR, you basically just click until you see numbers there or something public. You can see them. You don't need to create anything. Let's create the usual inspect network. Make it ready. Make your persist log. Disable cache. And see where you see the first thing. And exactly you see number one. You can see comment doesn't. Let's see. You can see the comment doesn't flip. He has a one there. You can argue maybe, but let's not waste time. You can see the one there, so high chance is that one. So you can just edit and resend, and you can just play with them. So first of all, if anything hidden in the response, you make sure there's no thing in one. Some CTF they play with you, they go to zero. I saw CTF like that, zip at the phone, that's fine. So let's go for 2, and 2 doesn't give me information there. 3, because this one is better in case they hide in a response. So 2, so 4. And 4 you get your flag. So basically this room is a straightforward, a bit too easy. I would like for them to hide the idols someone more clever, but there's no other user to play. No user doesn't have an idol on it, only username and point. So that one is a dead end. The only thing is the comment one, but the comment one, basically you have one comment for one. They didn't hide it in the comments, so, but it's if you didn't find it in there, you can find it here. So the comment is not the IDOR part we're looking for hidden stuff. The comment, what username? We can see the username for that, but this is part of the IDOR engine. Now there is no comment. So the endpoint was simply in the profile, in the snippet ID. That's where you get your IDOR. But in any case, as much as is too easy, I believe daily challenge like that they'll help you to practice more about the app. Like for example, yesterday it was SQL injection, and I have long time I didn't use SQL injection, so to refresh your mind. Last every week there's something, even if they repeat, it keep your brain refreshed. Thank you everybody, and have a good day.